We're live.
All right. Hi, guys. Welcome to another episode of Wildlife, having a great fingers wildlife experience. Now, today, it's actually playing very difficult to get back to get onto me right now. Definitely come up in a minute. So today we'll be talking about the primary common primates found in different parts of Nigeria. Here it is. It is the Patus monkey. Now, the Patus monkey is one of the primates that we can find in Africa region around areas of grassland, and they are common in Africa. Now, the Patus monkey. So I'll talk about Patus monkey in this particular Patus monkey. Now, this Patus monkeys live in multi-female groups of about individuals, and during the mating season, males now can come within the group, um, so that they can when females omnivores, and they basically feed on fruits, figs, leaves, and sometimes the smaller animals. They are they are actually known to be the fastest monkeys. They are not very good in climbing. They do climb, but not very good with to movement on land. They are known to be the fastest monkeys on land. So that's why they are more restricted. Their terrain is within the savannah. Now, Patus monkey um, only breed and one offspring, and start exploring by themselves. But the monkeys of their offspring, before the offspring starts going out on its own, and before they become independent on their own. Now, these monkeys face in most of the threats they face are basically destruction of their habitats and bushmeat trade, especially here in Nigeria, which is a major problem for most monkeys found here in Nigeria. The bushmeat trade and destruction of their natural habitat, which for most species. Now, I'm going to talk about this actual name is his name is Rockster. We call him Rockster, and he's just a baby. Now, his parents definitely were killed. Now, the thing about monkeys, which we talk, which we like to talk about always, is that for a baby monkey to be, for example, for you to sight a baby monkey, it basically means the troop has been killed. Now, once the troop has been killed, it is only actually extract the babies. And once the babies have been extracted um, in the pet trade, so we rescued him from the pet trade, and we've been trying within the sanctuary. Now, because he has other members of his kind within the sanctuary to learn how to be a Patus monkey, so that whenever he gets back into the wild, he's able to grade himself back into the wild. And it's important for people to are not pets, and we cannot overemphasize that we good pets. Number one, they are highly unpredictable. Now, these monkeys, I mean, you cannot tell how they feel or what their next point of action. They are easily to be becoming wild because they are wild animals, and you know they have to be attack other humans, bite other humans, just as animals would. But they are social animals, so people have them um, in their homes or around them, but they are actually not. Now, in Nigeria, monkeys also face a huge number of threats. So, firstly, they are hunted for bushmeat. Now, a lot of Nigerians, a lot of people actually eat monkey. the problem. That's one of the major challenges we have with the monkeys we have with Nigeria. So people kill them for food. Then also we have the traditional for different traditional um, means. They use them for heads. Are used for voodoo. That's the skulls, their foot, and their hands also. The traditional purpose or the other. Now, these all these things pose threats to these monkeys. So monkeys do not survive up until their expected life expectancy. Actually, in other areas, we see people using monkeys as pets. Now, when we talk the word or the term loosely, now these monkeys are tied to their their vehicles, so they're tied to trucks or they're tied to ships, and they just tie these monkeys to put some form of pleasure, some of pleasure for them. Now that's not what a pet should basically. Monkeys are being kept for recreational purposes, and we feel it's a problem for these monkeys because of the normal lifestyle they would normally have, and they are kept on short chains, which basically poses a problem for their mobility, so they're not able to move because they are chained. Now, it's important that we, as every individual, comes to understand why. I mean, these monkeys play in the ecosystem. Now, monkeys they are omnivores, and therefore they are one of the major source of food, and their time in seed dispersal. So they are able to disperse seeds all across, which basically helps the plant propagation in one way. They help maintain the structures of forests, and these are the ways monkeys help to society, to the ecosystem, and their importance cannot be over. And we need to protect them. They need to be protected to ensure that the ecosystem is well preserved. Now, all the work we do here within the sanctuary is we all the work we do within the sanctuary helps animals are able to be sustained, and we do that. We tell a lot of people about the animals. We talk to educate a lot of people about these animals. So you can help by sharing this message. You can help by saying, and that would also help making people make when it comes to a wildlife. I'm sorry, our little friend has is just walking all around me, but he's basically having the best time in the sanctuary, and we hope he lives a full life, getting the best care by clicking on the link um, below to support our work here in Nigeria. We hope to see you again on the next episode where we'll be talking about another animal. And, thank you for tuning in today, this week, as we talked about the Mono Month.